Angelina Jolie lauded the recently renewed Violence Against Women Act, a federal law first established in 1994 and reauthorized under President Joe Biden on Tuesday as part of a $1.5 trillion spending bill which also prevented a government shutdown. The longtime human rights activist told Kate Snow and NBC Nightly News on Wednesday that the law's passing was a long time coming, as the system currently in place to protect survivors is unbelievably broken and needs serious reform. I think this country doesn't recognize what a serious domestic violence and child abuse problem it really has, she said. And I think there is a reality that when somebody harms a child, if it's a stranger, the way the law looks at it, the way the law responds, it's quite strong. When it's somebody within a family, within a home, it is responded to less. And if you can imagine for the child, in fact, that's in many ways worse. She added, I think once you're exposed to this system, whoever you are, once you're exposed to it and you realize how unbelievably broken this system is, you have to do something to improve it. Jolie said the bill was personal to everyone, and has had her own experience with the family court system after accusing her ex-husband, Brad Pitt, of verbally and physically assaulting one of their 6 kids on a private plane in 2016. It is personal to everyone, Jolie said. Everyone who cares about family, everyone who cares about children, everyone who cares about their own safety and the health of their community. He was cleared of any wrongdoing after an investigation by both the Los Angeles County Department of Children and Family Services and the FBI. My children's health is my priority at this moment, she added. And my focus for the last few years has been to help my family and to focus on helping change laws to protect other families and other women and focus on their stories. Angelina and Brad began dating in 2004 after meeting on set of Mr. and Mrs. Smith and married in 2014. She filed for divorce 2 years later, though, in 2016 citing irreconcilable differences, and it was finalized in 2019. They've continued battling in court for custody of 4 of their 6 children who are still legally minors, and a host of properties acquired throughout their marriage. Ruth Glenn of the National Coalition Against Domestic Violence Glenn spoke about the significance of the reauthorization, saying, many survivors who have not had their needs addressed previously will now have their needs addressed. In addition to funding for Pell Grants and other programs, the act was also part of a bill which provided billions in emergency aid to Ukraine.